What's going on YouTube? This is Ultimate Device Vids, and this is Tweak Recap. And I'm going to be showing you guys 5 of the best Cydia tweaks that are available right now for iOS 8.1.2. And with that being said, let's get right into it. So the first tweak I'm going to be showing you guys is called Helius 2, and this is a continuation of the original Helius back on iOS 7. Basically what this tweak does is it's going to redesign the media playing interface on the lock screen. So if I just go ahead and start playing some music here, then go to the lock screen, I'll show you what this tweak looks like. So normally in iOS it looks completely different, but as you can see here, it basically just shrinks everything down into this one box. Normally it takes up kind of the entire screen, elements of the music playing interface, are scattered amongst the whole screen, but this tweak again condenses it into this small box. And here's a direct comparison between the normal music app in iOS and, this tweak. As you can see again, as I said, in the music app in normal iOS, everything's kind of spread out, amongst the entire screen. Again, if you want it more condensed and a little bit more simple, you could go with Helius. And if you go into the settings application and go into Helius 2, you will have the ability to enable or disable the tweak, of course. It takes effect immediately, no respringing is required. And you also have the background artwork option. And if you enable this, basically what it's going to do is it's going to take the album artwork of the music that you're listening to, or whatever the media is that you're listening to, and it's going to theme the entire lock screen based on that wallpaper. So if I show you here, as you can see, again, the album artwork is in the middle here, and as you can see, it kind of themes, again, the entire lock screen based on that album artwork. And if I go to a different song, as you can see, it will as you can see there, take an effect on that as well. It will change accordingly. Now there are a couple negative things with this tweak. The first one is you lose the ability to scrub through your music at the top of the screen. Normally in iOS you could scrub through a particular track at the top and go to a specific point in the song. Now you have to unlock your device and use the application that's playing music to do that. The second negative thing is this time at the top here may not look good depending on the album artwork or wallpaper you're using. So if you're using a dark album artwork or a dark wallpaper, this time is not going to be very visible. So if I just show you here, I'm just going to go into settings and disable the background artwork. And the reason I'm doing that is because, as you can see, my wallpaper is fairly dark. It's just the default one, but again, it is fairly dark. And I'll show you, now it's that time there is not going to be that visible. As you can see there at the top, there is time. It says, the time 5:11 right there, but it's very hard to see. However, as you can see, we still have the status bar for that. However, in terms of like design quality, that's not the greatest thing. But, other than that, this tweak works very well. As you can see, it looks nice and, it's very stable. And once again, the tweak's available on Cydia for 99 cents. It's called Helius 2. And next up, we have Color Convos. It's available on Cydia for $1, and this tweak will allow you to change the color of the sent bubble inside the Messages application. So when you send a message, normally in iOS, this is blue, but again, this tweak allows you to change it to, other colors. And once again, these are normally blue in iOS if you're talking to somebody through iMessage, and they're green if you're talking to somebody through, normal SMS. And basically how this tweak works is you just tap and hold on any, bubble inside a conversation. Then you're going to select more. Then at the bottom here, as you can see, we have this option, change color. And if we tap this, it's just going to change it to a random color. And, that's, one of the crazy things about this tweak. You don't know what color you're going to get. As you can see right there, it just changed to that color. And if we select change color again, as you can see here, it's just going to cycle through the colors. And, you could just keep doing this until you find the one that you want. It will, eventually, as you can see here, just start looping. But again, find the one you want. And as soon as you're happy with it, just stop tapping. I'm just going to go ahead and keep tapping here for a little bit. And let's say I'll just settle with that. Now I'm going to select cancel at the top, and boom, now it's colorized. Now this is separate, per conversation. So if I just go back here, go into another conversation, as you can see here, it's completely different. We could just configure a completely new color, boom, just like that. And I still have my old color over here. Now inside of these settings, there is an option, as you can see here, remove all colors. If you want to just go back to default, you can select that and, hit I understand, and it will remove all your color codes. And if you tap on show instructions, it's basically just going to tell you how to use the tweak, which is basically what I already did, but, they're there if you forget. And once again, the tweak's available in Cydia for $1. It's called Color Convos. And next up, we have HUD Transparent 8. It's available in Cydia for free. And as the name suggests, this tweak is going to make the volume HUDs transparent. As you can see right here, when I adjust my volume HUD, it is completely transparent. Normally, it's blurred in iOS. I'll just show you over here. As you can see, again, it's blurred like that. And one use case I could see for this tweak is if maybe you don't want the content basically in the background to be blurred. So, if you're adjusting your volume HUD, maybe there's content that you want to see behind it and you don't want it to be blurred out. This tweak will fix that problem. And as you can see, you could, see pretty much clear as day behind the volume HUD. And once again, the tweak's called HUD Transparent 8. It's available in Cydia for free. And next up, we have Playing Label. It's available in Cydia for free, and this tweak will basically put the label of the application media is coming from in Control Center. So as you can see right here, at the end of the song name that I'm playing, it says -music. And if I was playing media from another application, it would, just put the name of that application right there. So normally in iOS, that doesn't happen. It doesn't tell you where the source of media is coming from, but again, this tweak does that. It'll just say right there what the source is, what the application is. And once again, it's called Playing Label. Very simple tweak. It's available in Cydia for free. And the fifth and final tweak I'm going to be showing you guys is called Pull Bulletin. It's available in Cydia for free. And this tweak lets you clear all the notifications in your notification center and mark all the notifications as read with one single gesture. So basically, I could get rid of all these from notification center and mark them all as read. And you're going to notice these badges on my messages app will disappear. So basically how it works is you just swipe down a notification center, and as you can see, we have this really nice animation with these 3 bars that fill up, and it says mark all as read. And once they fill up, it turns orange. But if you just swipe all the way down like this, as you can see, they all disappear, and as you can see, the badge notifications are gone because, again, they're marked as red. Now here's one negative, aspect of this tweak. As you can see, I just received a new notification from messages, and even though I cleared all my notifications, using the tweak as you just saw a second ago, as you can see, it comes back with the previous notification. So it says 6 here. That's a bug with this tweak. You have to actually open up the app here, view all of them just like this, then exit, and then it's going to reset, and then it'll start again from 1. So that's a small bug with this tweak. Again, it kind of retains that you haven't actually opened the app, even though you cleared them using the tweak. And again, that's one small issue with this tweak, but the concept is great and it's designed very well. And once again, the tweak's called Pull Bulletin. It's available in Cydia for free. And that just about wraps it up for this video. I hope you found some good tweaks to install on your devices. If you did, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, make sure to follow the channel on Twitter, like its Facebook page, and add it to one of your circles in Google+. Also, follow my personal Twitter account. All that will be linked down below in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys later.